Here is my city, Mumbai, the second most populated city in the world. Less than half the population of the city is of my age. Even though I don't know them, we have something in common. Cricket. Cricket में वो ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट नहीं. Cricket is the nation's and also Mumbai's favorite game. Anyone can play cricket here, even the slum kids. But everyone cannot study here.
It is estimated that about 8.5 to 9 million children in India, they need kind of facilities to access education. The ordinary schools do not provide this kind of access. Therefore, Indian Development Foundation thought it fit and proper to establish small gurukuls.
गुरुकुल का मतलब मालूम आपको?
हाँ.
क्या होता है?
कितने स्टूडेंट?
हाँ?
कितने स्टूडेंट ना?
नहीं, गुरुकुल का मतलब क्या होता है? नहीं मालूम?
In fact, in ancient time, the Gurukul was a place where the students will come there, students from the family come there. They used to live there and spend their the formative years in the same Gurukul for 5 years, 10 years. Guru, for example, the concept of Gu and Ru. Gu means darkness and Ru means the remover of darkness, the person who gives light. Kul is a place. It's a place, yeah.
Now, this is a school which is started for the underprivileged children. Means children who cannot afford high fees. Basically, they are coming from chawls, I should say huts.
क्रोध के कारण सारी बीमारियां जन्म लेती है, इसलिए हमें क्रोध से बचना चाहिए. Anger is the root cause of disease, so we should avoid anger and we should always be happy.
थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी खुशबू बाराई से मस्त पवन की.
More than 65% are below poverty line, and each and every house there may be 5-6 children to each family, and parents are literate, so parents are least bothered about their education of the children.
बड़े होकर क्या बनना चाहते हो? हाँ? Teacher.
Actually, when I joined the institute, our principal ma'am, Mrs. Dice, she introduced the IDF to us, and she asked us whether you would like to teach this type of students and all. So yes, we just teaching is our profession, and I like teaching very well, so we involved in it.
About 30 years ago, I also went to school, and I was a student in one such school. I thought that I could bring about some change if I could teach the teachers. Through some small activities, I want to help you understand how to bring joy and fun in learning. 2 divided by 2 is how much? 1. So this way you can just do so many things, the entire concept of maths with the help of the small little devices. Okay, 3. Chalo, good. Big hand, sir. But we just
Everyone loves to play games. If studying was a game, then everyone would love studying too.
Stamp your feet. Stamp your feet. Listen to the music. Okay, this is senior KG section. Before they did junior KG. That age they know almost alphabets. Mostly even they don't know how to talk, but they understand. Okay, all children are very different. 5 fingers are different, same. These children, each and everyone is different.
पढ़ो लिखो आगे बढ़ो, पढ़ना अच्छी बात है.
Since 6 years, we have been working in the slum areas, and as you rightly pointed out, this is the major issue where many parents, they refrain from sending their girl child especially to schools.
9th standard, 8th standard के बाद you left the school, na Shehnaz?
Yeah.
1 साल waste कर दिया.
So we undertake a lot of counseling, and we also show them the brighter side, that what they are today, at least their children should not suffer. The only way they can get out of this vicious circle of poverty is education.
I feel that this school is the very unforgettable moment for me due to in the entire life, and I got so many experience from this school, good and bad, and I also have experienced many other except education, many other extracurricular works like dancing, singing. नैना लगियां बारिशां सक सक सपने में पिछ गई, नैना लगियां बारिशां रोवे पलका दे कोने विच नींद मेरी, नैना लगियां बारिशां हंझू डिगदे न चोट लगे दिल ते, नैना लगियां बारिशां रुत बिरहा दे बदला दी छा गई,
काली काली खाली रातों से होने लगी है दोस्ती, खोया खोया इन राहों में अब मेरा कुछ भी नहीं।
हाँ, जैसे कुछ मालूम नहीं रहेगा, जैसे कि पढ़ाई में कुछ नहीं मालूम पड़ता ना, तो उससे पूछती हूँ ये क्या चीज़ है, ये क्या चीज़ है, तो बताता है अम्मी ऐसा बोले। अभी मुझे इंग्लिश में पूरा नहीं मीनिंग मालूम मेरे को, तो बताता है मुझे आके कि टीचर ऐसा बुलाते हैं वैसा बुलाते हैं।
शादी करेंगी जब भी और कुछ लाइफ बन जाएंगी लाइफ में तभी करेंगे शादी, ऐसे नहीं।
Especially girl child getting married at early ages of 13 and 14, it's very common among them.
सोची थी कि मैं को बहुत शुरू से बचपन से मेरे में था कि मैं जॉब करूं, वो भी टीचर का।
टीचर बनना।
हाँ, पर पारिवारिक टेंशन जल्दी शादी कर दी है, इसमें नहीं हो पाया।
क्या उम्र है?
Child is a great gift of God. Great gift.
Child is the father of man. That's what something which I believe.
Which comes voluntarily or involuntarily into this world.
Child is a gift of God.
Children are a gift of God. Some people love to receive lots of gifts from God, even if they cannot afford to raise and educate them.
क्या करता है छोटे? खेलते। क्या खेलते हैं?
Family problems first is there financial, and some are like this, yeah. For students, na, yeah, financial problem plus the way of surrounding where they live.
We are not much interested in the money, yeah. It's we want to bring the children from our school little with 100% and result. All should have for that purpose, not for money.
With money, I can say 2 F's. Funds and friends. Both are required for managing this system.
My name is Sahil Rupani. I am the youngest brand ambassador of IDF. My mom says human beings in their childhood have big dreams.
We have about a dozen ambassadors, child ambassadors, out of which Sahil is the lowest, the youngest. I am the eldest. My wish is very simple. I have a few years more in my life. Whatever little time I get, I shall devote my time for the betterment of other human beings and also other living beings. And we have at the moment 27 Gurukuls spread out in India. We hope to increase the number of schools to about 50 or even 100 by 2015.
With each new Gurukul, a new wish is born.